In today's video, I will walk you through how to make kinetic animation in Canva. Start by going to Videos and opening a new video project. Once the project opens, type your text on the page. After that, change the font style, then change the text color. Next, place the text in the center of the page. After positioning it, change the page duration to 1 second. Now go to Animate and select Baseline. After selecting Baseline, click on both. Once the animation is applied, duplicate the page. On the second page, change the text and then change the text color. After that, change the background color to blue. Next, duplicate the page again. On this new page, change the background color to white and change the text color to blue. Then type your text. Continue adjusting the text and colors for each page to create the kinetic typography effect. Keep the duration short so the animation moves quickly from one page to the next. After creating the pages, preview the animation to see the result. You can continue changing the text, colors, and page combinations to create different animation styles. If you want to adjust the animation style, go back to the baseline animation settings and change the direction of the animation. Preview the video again to see how the movement changes. You can repeat the same process by duplicating pages, changing the text, switching the background colors, and adjusting the text colors to create more animated typography scenes in your project. Keep the text centered on each page and maintain the 1 second duration to keep the transitions fast and smooth. You can also continue editing the animation direction in the baseline settings until you get the motion style you want. Once everything looks good, play the full project to view the final kinetic typography animation.